Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa ashabi ajma'in. Today we are talking about uh, almaddul-iwad. In our previous class, we talked about almaddul-badal, and now we are talking about almaddul-iwad. What is maddul-iwad? Maddul-iwad is maddu that is in position of full stop or the stop point of ayah or stop point of word in the Quran. Once you want to stop with a word or alphabet in ayah, and the ayah end with fathatani, with tanween, one of the tanween, which is fathatani, kasratani, dumbatani. So once the ayah end with fathatani, the fathatani only, we are talking about the fathatani only. So once the ayah end with fathatani, and that fathatani, alif al-maddi come after it. So that fathatani will be pronounced as maddu, which will be alif only. So you only have to pronounce the alif only. You didn't have to pronounce the fathatani in sound. And that's what is called al-maddu-al-iwad. The maddu that come across, that is not real there, that is not there really before. It only come across. So it's not part of the nature of the word. So it came across, that's called maddul-iwad. So that kind of maddu, it's found after this alif al-maddi, after fathatan, as you can see it here. And it's been pronounced as imana. So you don't have to sound the tanween again, the fathatan again. You only prolong the alif al-maddi only. Hakima wa kana Allahu shakiran alima, such as alima, hakima. Yeah, you don't have to sound hakima. You don't have to sound the tanween again, the fathatan again. You only have to prolong the maddu only, and that maddu that you prolong is called maddul-iwad. The maddu that come across, that's not supposed to be pronounced in the word. Sawa'a. So, and this is the example of al-maddul-iwad and what is called al-maddul-iwad. So if you find this video benefit to you, if you benefit with it in this video, please subscribe and click the button, share, like and share this video so that it can go viral, so that people will benefit in it. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In our next video, we talk about the next following maddu.